Guys, welcome back, man. We're on the Double Trouble Mustang Day.
Yes, indeed,
Wheeler's
man.
loving every single minute of it. Gritting his teeth.
Except the last. No, it actually has been fun and eye-opening, man, because now it doesn't matter if it's old or new. There's technology. There's people out there making great things for for whatever your application is. In this case, it's an LS in a Mustang, which I'm a fan of. But, man, from FiTech...
I'm still trying to get it down.
Yeah. From FiTech, dude, they got us covered. Like, this is an amazing kit to top off our LS. Now, this is their Nitro-Port. It's named that for a reason.
Yeah.
Nitro-Port
LS drive-by-wire
Yes.
EFI system, man. And,
What?
Right? I mean, it's got nitrous ports already in it.
As
or
a
if you
nitrous
wanna
fan,
do water methanol type of thing. So it's already set up to go make some stupid power.
you never see that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, now
right?
these are kits from 500 up to 1,000 horsepower.
Exactly.
Right?
And we said drive-by-wire. You notice they give you the pedal.
What?
Most cars nowadays drive-by-wire. And it's tough sometimes to figure that out. They give you the pedal. They give you the ECM, right? Everything you need.
Click a connector,
And you're
there you
in.
go. All right, well, let's start getting some of this routed, mounted. But while we're up here, man, we got the shiny version of the throttle body. But if you want a different look, they also have these in black. Well, could be a nice contrast, go with the rails. You take your pick. All right, let's get this thing bolted down and we'll just keep on moving.
All right, as you can tell, still on our LS, man. We got the intake on. Now we're adding some coils. This was a different package, but you guys know how coils work. Remember the old days? You have a coil way out here, the big old long wire going to a distributor. Nowadays, they just move right on top. So the plug wire is only a couple inches. And as you can see, all right, from the coils, right, the coil wire or the plug wire, how about this in FiTech? These are ceramic. So how about that for some extra protection?
Hope you picked up a few tips on what it really takes to fit an LS engine into a Fox Body Mustang.
We got our FiTech system mocked up under the hood, and that transmission cross members tacked in, kind of holding its own. So the build's starting to come together, man.